Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to introduce best free AI meeting tools. In 2025, with remote work becoming the norm, having an AI tool to streamline your meetings can save you a ton of time and effort. We're going to cover five fantastic options: Otter AI, Airgram, MeetGeek, Fellow, and Supernormal. So let's jump right in. Tool number one, Otter AI. First up, we have Otter AI. Otter has been a game changer in the world of meeting transcription, and it continues to improve year after year. Otter AI offers real time transcription during your meetings. What sets it apart is its accuracy and ability to differentiate between speakers. Imagine you are in a meeting with multiple people speaking at once. Otter AI does a great job of distinguishing who said what, making it easier for you to follow the conversation later. The free plan includes 600 minutes of transcription per month, which is quite generous compared to some competitors. It also integrates seamlessly with platforms like Zoom and Google Meet. However, if you are someone who has long or frequent meetings, you might find yourself quickly running out of minutes. Also, advanced features like custom vocabulary and offline access are available only in the premium version. Still, for most users, especially if you are just getting started with AI transcription, Otter AI is an excellent choice for managing meeting notes effortlessly. Tool number two, let's talk about Airgram. Airgram isn't just about transcribing meetings, it's about making the whole meeting process smoother and more collaborative. Airgram allows for live transcription and lets participants collaborate on notes in real time. You can also sync it with your calendar to automatically pull in agendas for upcoming meetings, ensuring everyone is on the same page before the meeting even starts. One of the standout features of Airgram is its emphasis on team collaboration. It's not just a transcription tool, it's a full fledged meeting assistant. However, the free version does limit you to a certain number of meetings per month and has restrictions on how many minutes you can transcribe. If your team has frequent meetings, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. But for smaller teams or occasional use, Airgram's free plan is a robust solution to make your meetings more efficient and organized. Tool number three. Moving on to MeetGeek, which is another fantastic tool for automating the tedious parts of meetings. MeetGeek offers real time transcription and highlights key points, action items, and decisions made during the meeting. After the meeting, you can quickly review these highlights instead of going through the entire transcript, which saves a lot of time. The free plan includes transcription services, meeting highlights, and summary generation. The AI does a great job of pulling out important details, which can be shared with your team instantly. However, there are some limitations in the free plan, especially regarding the amount of storage and transcription time available. If you have a lot of meetings, this might be a constraint. Despite these limitations, MeetGeek's ability to summarize and highlight meetings effectively makes it a valuable tool for anyone looking to save time on meeting follow ups. Tool number four. Now let's take a look at Fellow, a tool that focuses on improving the overall meeting experience through better preparation and follow up. Fellow offers a platform where you can prepare shared meeting agendas, take collaborative notes during the meeting, and track action items afterward. It's perfect for teams that want to ensure every meeting is productive and that nothing falls through the cracks. The collaborative nature of Fellow is its biggest strength. Teams can contribute to meeting agendas beforehand and have a structured discussion during the meeting. However, the free plan does limit the number of users who can access the platform and the integrations available. For small teams or startups looking to enhance their meeting productivity without spending too much, Phil's free version is a great starting point. Tool number 5. Lastly, we have Supernormal, a tool designed to automate the creation of meeting notes. Supernormal integrates with your video conferencing tools and automatically generates comprehensive meeting notes. After the meeting, you get a well organized summary that you can easily share with attendees or review later. One of the standout features of Supernormal is how it takes the hassle out of note taking, allowing you to focus entirely on the conversation. However, the free version limits how many meetings you can document, which might be a deal breaker for larger teams or frequent meetings. Despite these limitations, for users who want a straightforward way to capture and share meeting notes, Supernormal is an excellent choice. So there you have it, 5 of the best free AI meeting tools available in 2025. Each of these tools has its own unique strengths. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.